This video is aimed at any teacher who is interested in learning more about how to insert sound into their smart notebook presentations. This is not something that's absolutely essential to be able to do. We do of course have our CD players and we can always play MP3 files through Windows Media Player or something like that. However, it can look quite snazzy if you start playing sound for listening tasks through the IWB. So, I'd like you to imagine that I am doing a lesson on comparatives in the context of shopping preferences. I'm looking for something cheaper, I'm looking for something more colourful, I'm looking for something one size bigger. That would be my target language. So I'm going to start off with a warmer. Here's my warmer. Christmas is coming. What do you think would make a good Christmas present? Having finished the warmer, we're going to move on to my first listening task. We're going to be listening to Catherine talking to a shop assistant. Which jumper does she buy? So I have a nice picture at the top. Here's Catherine. Here's the shop assistant, who we're going to discover later in this presentation has a very masculine voice. Then we have three different jumpers. The shop assistant's going to offer her all of these jumpers. Two of them are going to have a problem, but she's going to settle on one of them at the end of the listening. So earlier in the day, I recorded this MP3 file here. This is a conversation between Catherine and the shop assistant. Now I could just play it like this. Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want to get a Christmas jumper. Do you have any?
Yes, we do. How about this one?
I don't know.
So I could just play it straight like that, but it's quite nice to be able to look at the picture, I think, at the same time to kind of bring it to life a little bit. So the first thing I can do is go to Insert at the top here. I choose Sound. Now I need to browse and find my file. Here it is, Shopping for Xmas Jumper and Socks. It's just here on my desktop. Then I attach the sound, and there it is. So I can click here on this little audio picture. Once I click on that, it'll start playing. Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want to get a Christmas jumper. Do you have any?
Yeah. The first click plays it, the second click pauses it. If I click again...
Yes, we do. How about this one?
It keeps playing. If I change the slide and come back again, when I click on it, it's reset to the beginning of the track.
Hi, can I help you?
What I can also do, if I delete that, is I can click on my picture, right click, and choose sound. Here I can browse, choose my Shopping for Xmas Jumper and Socks again, attach sound. Now you'll notice in the bottom left of the picture there is this little audio symbol again. So now the audio sound is still there, but it's attached to the picture. So if I were to show this to my students, it would look like this on the IWB. First our warmer that we discussed, maybe I make some notes on the page. Then when I want to play the audio file, I just click here.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I want to get a Christmas jumper. Do you have any?
Yes, we do.
And it looks quite cool to be able to play it through the IWB rather than playing around with my CD player and trying to play it through there. However, one disadvantage of that is if I wanted to skip to a certain point in the track, I would need to go back to Windows Media Player. I would have to have the file on my desktop or something like that so that I could skip ahead to certain places and play them files, play them excerpts that way. That would be the only shortcoming, I would say, of this. Okay, so if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask either Adam G or Adam T. We are both very happy to help.